Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. So if you want to share your computer screen on your Discord but you're facing screen audio not working or not sharing issue, you can follow these easy steps to fix the error. The first solution is go to the server where you want to share your screen and now join a voice channel and now click on share your screen, and here you have to select application. Now select the application you want to share your screen with audio and don't select screens and capture device because screens won't share screen audio. So all you have to do is just go to application section and select the application and just click on go live and then check the issue. And the second solution is add the application here. So click on user settings and scroll down to this left hand menu, click on registered games and click on add it and click on this drop down and select the application you want to share screen and click on add game. Click on toggle overlay, go back to the server and here you'll see the application. Now all you have to do is just click on this screen share option and click on go live and then check the issue. And the next solution is go to your user settings, scroll down to this left hand menu and click on voice and video. Here scroll down under screen share section, you will find here this option. Use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. If it's already enabled, disable this option and try to restream your screen and check the error. And if it's disabled, enable this option. Go ahead and try to restream your screen and check the error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this Topical Talks channel. See you in the next video.